Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to show you how to make the easiest hard-boiled eggs. Okay, we're going to start out by putting eggs in our pot. Let's see how many fit in here. I'll make 6. We're going to take the pot over to the sink and fill it with water just to cover the eggs. Perfect. We're going to turn on the heat and set the timer for 14 minutes. So the eggs just go into cold water. Okay, the timer's just gone off, and now I've turned the heat right off, and we're just going to let them sit in the boiling water for 10 minutes. So I'm going to set the timer again for 10 minutes. Our 10 minutes is up, and we're simply going to take the eggs back over to the sink and give them a rinse under cold water. This step is really important as it stops the cooking process. Hey, thanks for joining me today on Tinagirl Life as we made the perfect hard-boiled eggs. As you can see, they are perfect. So just to remind you of the method, 14 minutes in cold water, water just covering the top of them. Set your timer to 14 minutes. When the buzzer goes off, turn the heat off, set the timer to 10 minutes, let them sit in the hot water. After the buzzer goes off after 10 minutes, just rinse them. And here they are. They're absolutely perfect in less than 30 minutes. Thank you so much for watching Tinagirl Life today. I hope I was able to teach you something new today. Maybe you never knew how to make hard-boiled eggs, or you always make them and they're either undercooked or overcooked. So that's the method, super simple. It's part of my super simple series here on YouTube. And make sure you click that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming super simple videos.